Am I the asshole for yelling at some lady on the train because I'm disabled? Hey, so I'm 23 and was taking the train back home after the test at uni. Context about me, I have a limp in my left leg due to an injury I got last year at a playground. Context to the injury. Was running after my little brother when came to visit my family. He climbed onto some tall playground device, and when I tried to chase him, I tripped and fell right to my left leg, about 70 cm fall, and my leg taking all of my 87 kilo weights led to breaking it in the wrong way. To the point even after surgery and constant training to strengthen my leg, I can't stand for more than 10 minutes without a standing cane unless I want to start feeling pain in my left leg. So the train was pretty full, but I found a chair to sit at. About 12 minutes later, some old lady, looked somewhere about 50, 60 years old, got next to me and asked if I could give her my seat. I said sorry, but couldn't, and when I said that, she started yelling about how entitled young healthy people like me can't help an old lady like her. Some people started to look at me weirdly, and I decided to channel the same energy as her and yelled back about the fact I'm disabled and can't stand for an hour plus till my stop, and even showed my walking cane to show I'm not faking it. BTW, the cane was hiding behind my backpack so people couldn't see it. Long story short, she looked annoying, but people started to look at her weirdly now, and she left to the next cabin. I was feeling good about myself. But the old man sitting next to me said I could have been nicer about it, and he was right. I didn't need to go her level, but some part of me is glad I did it to hope I taught her some lesson, or at least hope so. So Reddit, AITA for yelling at an old lady because she was annoying me and made me look like a dick. Like and follow for more.